without further ado, here is the Project Spyder. We're hitting this spots here on the top. We're gonna resand all of this and probably coat it a little bit just to prep it for tomorrow's wrap, God willing. So we can get this thing wrapped and this pillar right here. Now all I have to do is just like resand this so it could be nice and flat and smooth. But now it's protected, it's not gonna rust again. Yeah, these are the high spots, or the bold spots, should I say. Everything is nice and smooth and ready for tomorrow. Well, now I don't even know if it was recording at all what I was doing, but I wrapped the first pillar right here. Is this one right here. It's not perfect by any means. It has some dirt specks. I don't know if the camera can pick it up. I cleaned this thing like a million times and it still has dirt. So I did the second part already. So I did the second pillar. This is how it looks like. Pretty cool, I must say. By any means, it's not perfect, but it looks good. So now that we wrap the pillars, now the only thing left is the roof, which is gonna be the hard part. So without further ado, here is the Project Spyder. So that is it. This is the start of the Spyder build. We have LED black mirrors, we have black pillars, and we have the black roof right here with the channel name in matte black. So this is just the start. Things are gonna start to change, but the main components to start the build was this right here. The actual color scheme like that. This is why I chose it, and I think it will look great. Appreciate it, bro. So we have the first admirers of the car, which is great. It's a great sign. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Stay prayed up. God bless. Peace.